Hello, Business 109 students. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I very often help with students with time management concerns. Time management is key to meeting your deadlines in your business courses and your future business endeavors. I also help students memorize important terminology. As business majors, you are going to be exposed to a lot of different important terms that you must fully understand. Note-taking skills are also very important for business majors. You're going to get a lot of information from a lot of different sources. We can help you capture that information and process that information. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help you be successful at LCCC. All the best.